subatomic particles. When we talk about subatomic particles, it is even smaller than atoms. So subatomic particles are considered to be smaller than atoms, or we could even say that they can be a composite particles. So subatomic particles are also called as your elementary particles. That is, any of your various self-contained units of matter, or when we say energy, that are the fundamental constituents of all matter, is consisting of your subatomic particles. Subatomic particles, as I said, it is smaller than even atoms. And what are all the categories comes under subatomic particles are your electrons, which is negatively charged, protons, that is positively charged, and the neutrons, which is neutral in nature. So first in detail, if we talk about protons, proton is a type of subatomic particles with a mass that we take it to be equal to 1, and of course the charge is also equal to +1. So when we are talking about subatomic particles, there are three constituents, that is your proton, electron and neutron. But proton is one of the three main particles that is going to make up our atoms. And protons will have a positive electrical charge of 1, that is your +1, and a mass of 1 atomic mass unit, which is going to be equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power of -19 kilogram. And if we compare protons with electrons, protons are considered to be 1800 times heavier than the electrons. Protons are considered to be 1800 times heavier than the electrons. And the total number of protons in the atom of an element, it is considered to be equal to the atomic number of the element. Whenever we talk about the atomic number of any element, that will automatically be equal to the total number of protons of that particular element. And next particle is your electrons. Electrons are the subatomic particle which is going to revolve around the nucleus of the atom, because we know nucleus is at the center and electrons revolve around the nucleus, and the electrons are considered to be the lightest subatomic particle till now whichever we know it, and that carries a negative charge which is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of -19 coulomb, which is considered or which is taken as the basic unit of our electric charge. And when we try to calculate or when we try to estimate the mass of an electron, which is approximately equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power of -31. And the next important subatomic particle or the third atomic particle is the neutrons. Neutrons are the subatomic particle which is neutral in nature, and that is a constituent of your every atomic nucleus except the hydrogen. Neutrons are going to be present in the nucleus of an element, and neutrons are the largest of the particle that is going to make up the atom. And when we talk about the mass of a neutron, that is almost equal to the mass of a proton, which is 1.674 into 10 to the power of -24. So when we are talking about the mass of a neutron, that is approximately equal to the mass of a proton, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power of -24. So, and wherever we come across the mass number, atomic number is equal to the mass of your protons. Atomic number is approximately the same as your mass of protons, but equal to the number of protons, but your mass number, when we talk for every element, mass number is equal to the total number of electrons plus your neutrons.